Here we come to the elevator at Rosenau Hall at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And look what we got. Otis black button. This is awesome. Oh, I love that motor starting up. Did you hear that? That's great. Did you hear that motor? Did you hear it clicking? Black button, nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Holy heaven of joy. This thing is a beauty. And it's tiny too. Look at this thing. This is small. And from what this is looking like, this obviously used to be a freight elevator of some sort. Look at these fixtures. All right, let's go up to 3. Listen to the motor. Here we go. Wow, this is a joy. Oh my gosh, this is pure joyfulness, y'all. Here's your phone. Oh, this is worth filming. This is worth checking out. Check this out. It's got a metal bumper. Let's see what the call station is like. They put a 3 button over the call station. They replaced the arrow with a 3 button. I'm gonna go down to the 2nd floor, see the intermediate station right there. $1961. I found this thing on the records. Oh, listen. Hear the relay. I love the sound of the relays. £2,500? That can't be. Look how this got to be smaller than that. All right, see if we can hear the relays a little bit louder on this floor. This is bottom drive traction. I am lost for words. This thing is a treasure. Let's go on to 1. There we go. I think I just missed the classic level. I gotta see that. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to 2 and I'll let you watch the classic leveling, and then we'll come back down to 1 and there. But my gosh, am I so in love with this beauty. I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm so in love with this thing. I am so much in love with this elevator. I tell you guys, I am so in love with this old piece of beauty. I apologize for all the foaming, but man, the moment I walked into this building, I saw the call button. I just got super duper excited that you wouldn't even believe. I'll show one last cab view of this. Based on that ceiling, this obviously was a freight elevator at one point, and then I think they just I don't know, maybe because based on that, I don't ever see any regular passenger elevator door that has the ceiling, and the cab looks like it's been obviously redone, because this doesn't look to be original to the building, and looks like they could easily patch up the holes right there. But yeah, I gotta say, the walls are obviously not original, so this definitely used to be a freight elevator before it was converted to a passenger. But anyways, we're gonna go back down to one to end there. Please pardon me for taking this many rides. But anyways, we're gonna go back down to one to end there. Awesomeness. Awesomeness, y'all. Awesomeness. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.